Well, let me show you how to decoupage tin containers. So firstly and mostly you clean them up with alcohol so there will be no grease on them, and best thing is, if you have it, to apply the first layer a primer. If you don't have a primer, just use classic white paint. You just have to then apply more than 2 layers of it because it will not cover properly. So if you have a primer, first layer primer, let it dry, and then I apply white paint on it, and as you can see it covers nicely, and I didn't have to apply the second layer of white paint. So this is why I said if you have it, use primer, then let it dry. This time I chose this cute peacock napkin, and of course you just use the first layer of the napkin where the design is on. Everything else can be thrown away. Um, I didn't speed up this process much so you can guys see in real time how what time it takes me to do this. So I am using my water pen for this because I don't like cutting napkins with scissors, but of course you can use scissors if you want to, or you don't have this water pen. Then with good amount, and I am saying this really with good amount of glue. I'm using decoupage glue. Of course you can use Mud Podge, but don't use the Mud Podge for paper. Use the classic Mud Podge. uh, Slowly steady apply it from middle to outside with good amount of pressure, and as you can see, with good amount of glue, but slowly because the napkin will become delicate, and it will tear up if you are not careful enough. But of course then you just take it off, wipe it off, and start over. Trust me, it happened to me many times. But as you can see, good amount of glue, spread it throughout the napkin. Make sure there is no excess at the end because that will dry out white, not clear. And as you can see, I am doing this on both sides slowly, steady, and this is really the time it took me to do it. After this is done, let it dry. Just let it dry. The same way it's on the smaller container, as you can see here. You can just slowly, steady do it, one from middle to outside. This is the best way. Don't go all the way around. Now my napkin is dry and I am taking off any excess with sandpaper. And then I did this the other side of the container as well. I put another napkin on the other side. Now it is time for blending, where of course the napkin didn't go. And for this I use acrylic paints, and I must say I just played around. I am not a painter, so I tried my best to blend it as best as I can. So firstly I just chose these colors because I was thinking they match perfectly my napkin. So you guys just played it with it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just blend it. Just go ahead and blend it. And if you don't like to paint, just blend it within one color or two colors, and that's it. That's it. It doesn't have to be perfect. But I am showing you a little bit step by step what I did, how I painted it. But trust me, it took me some time. It took me some time until I was satisfied with the outcome, and I'm hoping you guys gonna like it at the end too, because somehow I do like it, if I may say so. Okay guys, if you like this kind of tutorials, please do subscribe to my channel. Please give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. It helps me grow, and soon I will be posting more videos making ornaments, because I know it's May, but soon there will be Christmas in July, and then oopsie daisy, there will be fall and such. But let's enjoy May, June, July, the summer, right? So, but I will start posting ornaments so you can see what kind of ornaments can be done, and you can do them for yourself or for family, friends, or for whoever you want to. All right, here you can see how I slowly trying to paint the branches, leaves and such, which I see on the napkin itself. And for example, if you are a beginner, just choose a simpler napkin. You don't have to choose this one, but if you can paint, choose the napkin you want, right? And you know what I was thinking, maybe I'm gonna show you guys how you can decorate something for your bathroom, or such, so you can have a nice thing matchy for your bathroom and such, and you don't have to buy it. You just can decoupage it if you want to. So I was thinking doing that as well, even though right now I have many other projects which I want to show you guys, and I am hoping to show you soon. But if you have a project in mind and you want me, for example, show you how I would do it, let me know uh, in the comments, and maybe I will do a video of it as well. Just tell me what you have in mind. Alright, my acrylic paints are all dry, and I am somehow satisfied with the outcome. So firstly, I am using my trusted glitter decoupage glue all over. Of course, this step is fully optional and you don't have to do it, but I like a little bit of shimmer glitter on my designs, and I love my glitter decoupage glue. So I am applying it on both of my containers, and then after that is dry, it is time to seal it. I am using pouring glaze. Of course you can use varnish as well. I applied I think 4 to 5 layers. Let it dry between each layer because I wanted to have it like a nice shiny look, but make sure you really do let it dry between each layer. And here they are, finished. They can be used for flowers, they can be used as centerpieces. So let me know in comments, how do you like these, and if I did a good job painting those in between. And I'm hoping to see you next time in some of my other videos. Until next time, bye.